Elon Musk just released fully performing female AI robots. Tesla finally showed their humanoid robot Optimus. What about this robot surprises the rest of the industry? Is it going to replace human labor and put people out of work? Elon Musk believes Tesla can launch it for less than $20,000. According to the billionaire, a robot firm might be worth more than his car company. When Tesla first unveiled its humanoid robot prototype Optimus in 2021, it was just a human within a robot body. A year later, in September, Elon Musk exhibited two extremely lifelike humanoid robot prototypes. The first robot, Bumble C, made its way across the stage at Tesla AI Day 2022 while appearing to be attempting not to wake a sleeping child. Musk informed the audience that this was the first time Bumble C has ever walked untethered and said that a robot could perform more tasks there. The real star of the show, however, was Optimus, who was revealed for the first time as a modern take on a medieval knight. It was carried to the stage because it couldn't walk and performed a brief dance move while propped up on a platform. Musk thought the prototype design was fairly accurate for the final product, but he and his team were unwilling to take the chance of Bumble C falling on its face. He added that it would eventually help millions of people and serve a number of useful purposes. When asked by Bilton how he felt about the humanoid, Alex Kernbaum, the temporary director of SRI International's robotics lab that created the robot, said that while he was impressed with what the Tesla engineers were able to accomplish in a year, he was dissatisfied with the Bumble C and Optimus demonstrations because it seems like the robot is still in its infancy. It's not unexpected that the more recent version of Optimus didn't function properly because the hardware is challenging and takes a long time to develop. It actually walked. Bumble C was probably off-the-shelf tech and designed to enable the controls team take an early go at it, he said. There is no set date for when the robot will be made available to the general public, but Elon Musk thinks it will happen sooner than later. Carlotta Berry, an electrical and computer engineering professor at Rose-Hulman Institute of Technology in Indiana, thought the prototypes were less remarkable. She said they were less attractive in terms of mobility than other humanoid robots that can perform parkour from companies like Boston Dynamics. As early as 2027, Tesla will be able to begin selling them. What we do know for sure is that this time it's a real robot, and I think the wait will be worthwhile when Musk revealed the Tesla Roadster at the September event. Robot's design is inspired by the human body, with limbs, hands, legs, and a head. It also has a brain, which is a central computer located in the center of its body. Optimus has a 2.3 kilowatt battery pack that can power the robot. The robot is designed to be an extremely capable robot with manufacturing units possibly in the millions. It would also be reasonably priced. It is expected to cost much less than a car. Elon Musk stated that during the event. According to one engineer who spoke at the event, it takes nearly a full day of labor to operate and has 28 structural actuators. Its hands have 6 actuators and 11 degrees of freedom, which is less than half of what a human hand has. Despite this, it can conduct both broad and much more precise adaptive grasps of objects and picture-gripping tiny instruments. He asserted that the cost of having specialists maintain the intricate robot surpassed the cost of hiring someone to carry out the assembly. This is a silly example, but it emphasizes the idea that handling soft, fluffy material requires autonomy that doesn't always generalize well. Musk said during the presentation that the Tesla robot will cost $20,000 or less, but considering the hardware required, Tesla may be in for a challenge. If you want to design a cheap robot, it starts on day one. That isn't as predictable as a rigid part was causing a significant problem, according to Aaron Johnson, a mechanical engineering professor at Carnegie Mellon University. One Kernbaum said that on the first day, they used 2 of the most expensive actuator types, the roller screw and the harmonic drive. Every humanoid robot contains 28 to 32 of these pricey actuators, which are utilized to switch between rotational and linear motion. Harmonic drive actuators are mechanical gears that increase torque and are used to regulate motion. When it comes to costs, Kernbaum said there is a significant issue. Are you fascinated in this brand new humanoid robot? Do you think it will be worthwhile to buy when it is introduced, or are you worried that it will replace you at work? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching.